Today we will learn the lesson Our Karnataka, Unit 2. Natural resources. Anything that is useful or has value is a resource. The materials available on the earth sustain life. These materials like rocks, minerals, coal, petroleum, air, water, plants, and animals are called natural resources. These are gifts of nature to human beings. These resources can be divided into two: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources, the resources which can be used again and again and can never be exhausted, are renewable resources. For example, air, water, soil, plants, animals, solar energy, wind energy. Whereas non-renewable resources are the resources which cannot be used again and again and which get exhausted. For example, coal, petroleum, minerals. Bengaluru division has tropical monsoon climate. The climate of all the districts is not similar. Kolar has the hot climate, whereas Shivamogga region gets highest rainfall, but Chitradurga receives lowest rainfall. The remaining districts, Tumakuru, Davangere, Ramanagara, and Chikkaballapura, receive moderate rainfall. Rivers of Bengaluru division. Many of the rivers in this division originate in the Western Ghats. Some of the important rivers are Uttara Pinakini, Dakshina Pinakini, Vedavati, Shimsha, Tungabhadra, Sharavati, which flows in the western direction. World famous Jog Fall is in Shivamogga district. The magnificent fall has names Raja, Rani, Rover, Rocket, and I am sure you have to visit this place at least once in your lifetime. A dam named Mutyala Madavu is in Bengaluru district. Gajanur and Tunga Dam are also in Shivamogga district. Mysuru kings have constructed many dams. Vanivilas Dam is one such irrigation project. This is in Hiriyur Taluk of Chitradurga. Another dam is at Markonahalli of Tumakuru district. Many of our rivers have dried out due to environmental pollution, deforestation, uncontrolled urbanization, and many other reasons. Many rivers of Bengaluru urban district are on the verge of extinction. As a result, severe scarcity of water is there. There is an urgent need to protect the water sources like tanks and save underground water. One of the best ways to protect water sources is by rainwater harvesting. This is a great way of conserving water. This process involves collecting rainwater and putting it to maximum use of rain when it falls on land or some surfaces, allowing little time for loss due to evaporation or runoff. During the seasonal monsoon, there is plenty of water everywhere, flooding villages and towns. But not enough of that water soaks into the ground. Rainwater harvesting, in effect, puts water back into the soil. From there, it is directed into aquifers or stored in reservoirs to be taken out when needed for various household activities or to water plants. This division has many mineral deposits. The most productive gold mines of the country are in Karnataka, and Kolar gold mines is famous among all. But the gold deposit of this mine is exhausted now. Iron ore deposits are found in Chitradurga and Tumakuru districts. Chitradurga has also copper ore deposits. It is said that mineral necessary for atomic energy production is available in Chitradurga district.